spacious living and dining area is your kitchen space where you will be getting two parallel platforms to bedroom where you can place your king size bed along with your... Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Westeria by Modi Realty located in Kandivali West, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual tower where you can see the tower is ready, the possession is given. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. And we will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project has one tower of ground plus 23 story having spacious and luxurious 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. And now let's talk about the amenities. This project has 10 plus amenities with gym, kids play area, open deck, cricket turf and many more amenities within the project. And now let's also have a look at the location and connectivity of the project. This project is located at Charkop Sector 3 at Upper Mahavir Nagar, Kandivali West, from where Kandivali railway station is at a distance of 12 minutes. You have Kandivali West metro station at a distance of 8 minutes. SV Road is at a distance of 3 minutes and you have Link Road only at a distance of 2 minutes from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now we are standing at the 2 BHK of the residential project Westeria. This 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 699 square feet. As we enter, you can see this over here is your spacious living and dining area. You will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat. You can see your dining corner is very spacious where you can easily place a 4 to 6 people dining table and enjoy mealtime with your family. You have so much extra walkable space. Also, you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony in your living. Moving forward, on this side, we have your alley area that has entrance to your kitchen, common washroom and your bedrooms. First over here is your kitchen space where you will be getting two parallel platforms. You can see you have space provided to place your refrigerator in this corner. Also, you have space provided to place your washing machine in this corner. And you will be getting French doors. You can also make an extra utility area if you wish. Opposite to your kitchen is your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Besides your common washroom is your common bedroom that you can see is very spacious to place your king-size bed and your side tables. You can customize. You will also be getting vitrified tiles in this bedroom and you can customize your wardrobe in this corner. You can also customize the TV unit if you wish to and your makeup corner or your study corner. And again, you will be getting full French windows with railings provided for your safety and a beautiful standing balcony look. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's enter the master bedroom of this 2 BHK. As we enter, you can see this over here is the space of your master bedroom where you can place your king size bed. Along with your side tables, you can save plenty of walkable space. Even after placing your furniture, you can customize your wardrobe in this corner. You can customize your TV unit. Also, a makeup corner or study corner if you wish to. and you will be getting full French windows with railing provided for safety and beautiful standing balcony look. And again, in this corner we have your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Westeria. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, have you bought property in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Westeria by Modi Realty located in Kandivali West, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.